Hi everyone, I am Deepthi from CSC department. Today our topic is infix to postfix conversion. First let us discuss about stack applications. Few stack applications are expression conversion, expression evaluation, recursion and backtracking. Today we are focusing on infix to postfix conversion. First let us discuss what is an expression. Expression is a collection of operators and operands. There are three types of expression based on the operator position. They are infix expression, postfix expression and prefix expression. And what is infix expression? An infix expression is the expression in which operators are present between the operands. And postfix expression. In postfix expression, operators are present after the operands. In prefix expression, operators are present before the operands. Now let us discuss the algorithm for infix to postfix conversion. First we need to read all the symbols from left to right from the given infix expression, and if the reading symbol is an operand, we need to print directly into the output, and if the reading symbol is left parenthesis, then push it into the stack, and if the reading symbol is right parenthesis, then pop all the contents from the stack until the respective left parenthesis is popped. Next, if the reading symbol is an operator, then we need to push operator into the stack. If the operators already present in the stack are having higher precedence or equal precedence than the current operator, then we need to pop the elements that are present in the stack and print the output. If the stack contains any remaining elements, we need to pop all the elements and print it in the output.
So let us see an example to convert infix to postfix expression. And the example is a plus b into c minus d. At initial, the stack is empty and the output is also empty. The next reading symbol is left parenthesis. So as we know, as it is an operator, we have to directly push it into the stack and the output is empty. And the next reading symbol is a, it is an operand, so it is directly printed into the output. And the next reading symbol is operator plus, it is an operator, it is directly pushed into the stack and the output remains same. And the next reading symbol is b, as it is an operand, it does not push into the stack and it is directly printed. And the next operator is right parenthesis. As we know, when the right parenthesis occur, all the elements in the stack will be popped until the left parenthesis occurs. So the stack is empty and the plus will be printed into the output. And the next operator is into. As it is an operator, it is directly printed into the stack and the output remains same. And next reading symbol is left parenthesis. It is directly pushed into the stack and the output remains same. And the next reading symbol is C, it is an operand, it is directly printed into the output. And the next reading symbol is minus, as it is an operator, it is directly pushed into the stack and the output remains same. And the next reading symbol is D, as it is an operand, it is directly printed into the output. And the next reading symbol is right parenthesis, as it is an operator, the operators in the stack will be completely popped out and the output will be AB plus CD minus. And at the end, the stack will be empty and the remaining operators in the stack will be printed in the output and the output is AB plus CD minus into.